First basket for number. Ball stolen by Espinosa. Zafre underneath the basket. May kasama pang foul. Number 16 Gabot defended by Sape. Gabot with the ball. Another stolen for Espinosa. Left-handed shot, wala. Number 1 Espinosa, 12 on the shot clock. Cross-court pass number 18, launch a 3, bang for 3! 7-0 run. For Candon City, number 7, Amoyo Thompson, under the basket. Converts the 2. All out of bounds, Candon City basketball. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Number 30, left fly. Bang for 3! Number 5, Zafe. Pass to Espinosa. Espinosa on the right wing. Yosas Cortez pick. Dalinog. And can complete the 3 rebound by number 6. Pass to Zafe, goes to the middle, left-handed layup, yes sir! Official score 9-5. Charge timeout. Number 1 Espinosa, 10 on the shot clock. And what a great finder on Espinosa to Zagat. Official score 16-6. Candon City up by 10. Number 15 Zagato. And rejected by 2-pointers with number 6. Exactly 2 minutes remaining. Number 30, Anthony, pass to Gabrot. That's number 15, Zagado. Divina Hayes again, charge timeout.
Bato.
Left-handed layup, seated number 2, Divina. Zagado for good work by number 18, Dalino, pass to Zagato. Wala. Rebound by number 21. Anthony with the ball. Basket out. And on the shot clock. Left point open. Rebound by number 1. Espinosa. And number 6, the lead. Jersey number 7, Amoyo. 3-pointers to the number 30, Anthony. Espinosa with the leather. Inside pass to Sagado, underneath the basket is in number 15. Then on the shot clock, Espinosa launches a 3. Rebound by number 13, De Los Santos. And jumper is in number. Gaga left wide open, launches a 3. Amoyo with the leather. Pass to Antolin, stop and pop. Bank shot is in number 30, and that's down to 4. Number 1, Espinosa. Defended by Antolin, uses the pick. Looking for silver, it will be Antena. Pass to Espinosa, bounce pass to Los Santos. 5 on the shot clock. De Los Santos with a hook shot, yes sir. 30. Tumoplat on the left, pass to Divina. Defended by Antena, Divina with the ball. Amoyo goes to the middle, and we have a whistle. Yeah. Pass to number 6, Tumopiat. And a lap pass to number 30, Antolin. Zafe may tangan ng bola. Milan Zafe goes up. Shot to go, Iwan De Los Santos, the big man. Connects the 2 points. There's number 5, Zafe. To Espinosa, ating corner, goes to the baseline. Kick out pass to Gaja. Left wide open. Bang for 3! And Divina on to the other hand. Pass to Tumopiat. Antolin at the corner, 10 on the shot clock. Tumopiat. And we have a whistle. Number 30, Antolin, corner 3. Bang for 3! Corner 3 for Antolin, bang for 3! Number 9, Gaja. Transition offense for Canton City. Gaja lays it in. That's his finger roll. Santos, they only played here in the second half. Official score 45-41. Antolin with the leather, pass to Gabuat. Antolin looking for a receiver. It will be number 12, 5 on the shot clock. Catano to the zone, lays up and connects the 2. On the leather, outlet pass to Espinosa. And what a nice find by Espinosa to Gadia. Number 2, Divina. He cannot handle the pass. Number 5, Zafe had time getting his own rebound. He up by 7 points. Jersey number 2, Divina setting a play. It will be number 7, Amoyo. Defended by Gadia, back to Divina. Divina goes up. Number 6, Tumopiat. Pass to Amoyo. Tumopiat with the ball. He's in traffic. It's stolen away by Espinosa. Espinosa celebrates. And he can stop up on foul. On the shot clock. Gabot with the ball. Goes to the middle. Floater. Goal! Number 30, Antolin, launch a 3. Bang for 3! Number 16, Gabuat. Pass to Antolin, looking for receiver. Antolin with the ball, swing pass. And Gabuat with the ball, launches a 3. Bang for 3! Number 16, Gabuat. Gabuat with the ball. Pass to Bapusan. Gabuat, wala. Fight for the ball. Jersey number 6, Gabuat. Launch sa 3. Bang for 3! Tabla na tapos tayo sa 60. Number 9, Gaja. Counter 3. Bang for 3! Other hand. Gabuat with the ball. Pass to Amoyo. And it's stolen away by Zafe. Zafe all the way, yes sir. 16. Napusan with the leather. Pass to Amoyo. Amoyo on the middle. Rejected by Espinosa. Recovers by the zone. 5 on the shot clock. Go! Here's number 16, yes sir! Number 9, Gatia, uses the little pick on the deep. Shot won't go, rebound by De Los Santos. And he grabs the 2 points. Amoyo on the other hand. And we have a foul. Substitution. Setting a play. Espinosa on the left wing, defended by Antolin. Jersey number 1, Espinosa. 10 on the shot clock. De Los Santos goes out. Jersey number 5, Zafe. De Los Santos baseline jumper. And knocks down on this ball game. Number 17, Kapusan to Antolin, wide open. Bang for 3! Number 16, Gabwat. Pass to Tumopia, corner 3. Bang for 3! There's number 5, Zafe. Pass to Espinosa. Espinosa with the letter defended by Tumopia, 10 on the shot clock. Number 1, Espinosa down to 5. Perimeter shot, short, rebound by Kapusan. Pass to Gabwat. 2-on-3 situation. Gabwat uses the glass, yes sir! 53 Sun. Number 5, Zafe. Pass to Gadia. Gadia setting a play. Goes to the middle, and he uses the ball. Transition offense for Santa Maria. Gabwat. Wala. Rebound by number 5. Here's number 5, Zafe. 7 seconds differential between the game and the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. On to 5. Gabwat launch the 3. Ball out of bounds. Santa Maria basketball. 0.3 remaining. 2.3 remaining. .3 remaining. Tumopia launches a 3. And ladies and gentlemen, not the end of the ball game. Won by your team, Candon City.